I don't want a date for Christmas. I don't need a mouth to feed. I don't want to buy you dinner or to take you home with me. I just want them on my phone. Take some pics when you're alone. Send some video too. All I want for Christmas is news. I don't want a lot for Christmas, just a couple shots I need. I don't want them dark or blurry, taken on your iPhone 3. You don't need to know my number, send them to my burner phone. You can even send on Grindr, just as long as you stay home. I don't want you here tonight, keep your distance, I'm alright, but send me one or two. All I want for Christmas is news. I won't ask for drugs this Christmas, I won't even ask for blow. I just want an unlocked album, wrap it in a big red bow. Send me what I want for Christmas, Hanukkah and Kwanzaa too. Gonna get me naughty listed with a holy pic from you. Sexy selfies in ring light, cropped and filtered, that's alright. Maybe some Facetune. All I want for Christmas is news. Ba-da-ba. Oh, I know you're only an Uber ride away. Ba-da-ba. And oh, you could come over, but I wish you would stay. Oh, the snow is blowing, it's too cold for mistletoe. And baby, don't forgive, take a JPEG or a TIFF, and if you don't, you can sashay away. I don't need you up my chimney, you can stay in Bethlehem. I just wanna hear your sleigh bells sliding into my DMs. Maybe with enough eggnog, after New Year's we can talk. But until we do, all I want for Christmas